Okay, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ngayon, ang isosolve natin ay problem from 1001, solve engineering problems by Chong, problem 168 na mixture. Ngayon, basahin natin ang problem. A goldsmith has two alloys of gold, the first being 70% pure and the second being 60% pure. How many ounces of the 60% pure gold must be used to make 100 ounces of an alloy which will be 60% gold, 66% gold rather? Okay, analyze natin ang problem. Sabi dito, goldsmith daw may dalawang alloy gold. Ang una is 70% and the second is 60%. Paghahaluin daw yon at makakaproduce ng 66% concentrated gold na 100 ounces. Ngayon, ang unang solution natin is magle-let tayo or mag-a-assume let x is equal to 70% solution and y is equal to 60% solution or concentration of gold. Okay? Tapos, gagawa tayong equation. Sabi doon, makakabuo daw ng 100 ounces na 66% gold ang pinaghalong dalawang alloy, which is x plus y equals 100. Equation 1. Okay, sunod, equation 2 naman tayo. Ang sabi daw, para madali, i-represent natin ng box 70% daw dito. Pinaghalo, so plus, hinalo sa 60% na gold equals 66% na gold. Tapos, ang volume ni 70% is X, ang volume ni 60% is Y. Tapos, nung napaghalo na sila, ang volume na nila ay 100. Ngayon, isosolve natin o i-analyze natin to in terms ng gold content. Paano natin yon? Percentage ng gold multiply by volume, which is 0.7x plus 0.6y equals 0.66 times 100. Okay? Simplify natin. 0.7x plus 0.6y equals 66. Equation 2. Ngayon, sabi sa tinatanong, Ang tinatanong dito ay how many ounces of 60% pure? 60% pure is Y. So, ang gagawin natin, in terms natin, solve X in terms of Y dito sa first equation, which is X equals 100 minus Y. Para mamaya, pag sinubstitute natin siya dito sa second equation natin, makuha agad natin si Y. Ngayon, substitute equation 1 to equation 2. Okay? Continue natin dito. Ayan. 0.7x plus 0.6y equals 66, where x is equal to 100 minus y. Substituting 0.7 times 100 minus y plus 0.6y equals 66. Simplify. 0.7 times 100 is 70 minus 0.7 times Negative y is negative 0.7y plus 0.6y equals 66. Okay? Pagko-combine natin yung same, negative 0.7y plus 0.6y is equal to negative 0.1y equals transposition 66 minus 70. Negative 0.1y equals negative 4. Divide both sides by 0.1. Divide negative 0.1. Y equals 40 ounce. So, the label is, in the concentration, you need 40 ounces of 60% pure gold. That's it. Thank you.